This place is fucked up.
It's disgusting.
I don't even know where to start. The roof is caving in over here.
It's gross.
Can't see shit. Yeah, the whole roof is... I don't know if you can see that.
It's caving
Not
in.
really anyway. It's caving in. Must be leaking right there. The whole roof is sagging right there. Everything.
Is there a bedroom back there?
Yeah. The windows are all busted out and boarded up. It's really bad. There's a washer and dryer. Hey. Oh my god, I almost fell through the floor right here. Shit, I almost went down. It's carpet, you can't see it, but it's falling through. Oh my god, I'm scared to walk back here. Everything's falling apart. Everything's torn the fuck up.
You couldn't even party here.
And look, there's...
Break a leg, fall through the floor.
There's a piece of glass back here that's not broken.
I can see you.
I'm scared to walk in here.
I can see you, dude.
You can see me from the living room? Oh, I can see you too. Yeah, that's the living room over here. Here's the bath. There's a big hole in the wall. It's giant.
Oh, I can see you.
Covered with... This black line is the hole.
You should see the water heater. It's about to fall out of the house.
There's the fucking toilet. I don't even know if I'd call that a toilet. I think the sink's salvageable. That is a sweet washer and dryer. It works though. Okay, I'm scared to walk back here. I'm gonna fall through the fucking floor. All the windows are fucking shit.
Like shattered.
I checked that window over there, but I'm scared to walk through this room because the floor is really squishy.
But look at this.
Let's go check out the water heater Ronnie's talking about. Oh my god, I almost fell through the floor again.
It's like about to fall out that door.
Oh yeah, what is that? That's a door?
I don't know.
Okay, so here's the water heater, and here is some sort of entrance or exit? I don't know. And there's the other side of the bath wall.
Looks like absolute fucking butthole.
But on a good note, the fucking yard is sweet.
Yeah, it is. It got a cool tree for a swing.
Yeah, look at this tree, man. Perfect tire swing tree. Hold on. So sweet. I wish I had this when we were kids. Perfect tire swing tree. Yep. The yard's sweet. The fucking trailer is destroyed. So take a walk around. Drove all the way the fuck out here. Might as well walk around. Yeah, here. Here's Ronnie. She hates it.
It'll be better once you fix it.
The yard's not bad. It's pretty level. Here's the windows from the outside. Oh, here's that weird exit I was talking about.
Yeah, that's where the water heater is.
That's where the water heater is. Oh shit. Fucking spider webs. Oh yeah, I'll show you the front porch too. The whole fucking roof is falling in. Hell, you get this cool little, I think this little white thing is blue thing's the neighbors. Oh shit. See, this whole roof right here is fucking falling. It's caving in. I can't see underneath it. Check the pipes.
I love how that one part is all standing up perfectly with the swirls and then the rest is like falling out.
Yeah. I think some scrap metal, I guess. Hey, that window's solid. I didn't even notice. You have one good window. Actually, it is... Oh yeah. Kind of good, I guess. I don't know. I don't actually see any leaking, but the ceiling is definitely warped. Like, it's leaking inside of the ceiling. There's big bubbles and it's kind of dark. I should have brought a flashlight. But anyway, this place is fucking trashed. I don't know if it's repairable. It's up to you. See ya! Oh my god!